Hello everyone, welcome to another video in the Cloud CTF tutorial series. Today we're going to cover the challenge library. So first of all, just a quick explanation of what the challenge library is. It is a set of challenges that you've saved that you can use in multiple different Cloud CTF competitions. So if you wanted to create some challenges for yourself during one competition, you can then come back maybe a few months later in a completely separate competition and use those same challenges again. So in order to get to the challenge library, we're going to want to navigate to the Admins tab, and we're going to click on Library. As you can see, I don't have any challenges in my challenge library yet, and I can show you first how to add a new challenge to the library. This is the same dialog box as when you're creating a new challenge in the Challenges tab. I showed how to do that, and I explained about all the different sections of a challenge in our other video. It'll be the components of a challenge, and I can link that in the description below as well. So I'm not going to recreate this challenge again, but what we will do is I'll show you how to add a challenge to the challenge library from one that's already created. So if we go over to the Challenges tab and we click on our sample challenge, which was overgrowth, we can click on this little Save button here, and this will take the challenge and save it into our library. So what that'll do is give us the opportunity to reuse this challenge in another CTF. So let's head on over back to the library and see if we see our new challenge. There we go. Before we had nothing in that challenge library, and now we're seeing the challenge that we saved to it. So hopefully this helped in understanding what the challenge library is all about. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Cloud CTF, feel free to take a look at some of the other videos in this playlist.